Good day, Ma'am Sir. My name is Ronaldine Bagshao Dupitas, 27 years old, married. My husband's name is Kevin De La Cruz Dupitas, 28 years old. We have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. I live in Dumanisipon, Quirino, Philippines. I worked as domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years and 7 months. I serve 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My duties are taking care of children, taking care of pets, cooking foods, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, car washing, and garden keeping. Please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and also follow your rules and regulations. Thank you. God bless.